To install Blink Streamz on your Firestick, in this report we will be installing this app on your Amazon Firestick with the help of any type of downloader installed on your Android TV. So the step 1 is install the downloader app on your streaming device. If you have not done this, refer to the tutorial below. Download and Firestick guide. Launch downloader and however click on the URL option and select blinkstreams.com and click on the go button here to search for application. Scroll down and click on the download option. You will see here like download the Blink Streamz application. Wait for the process to be completed and let it be installed on your device. After you click on the install option, you will encounter a ready to launch message. You simply have to click on the open option and when launching for the first time, agree to the terms and conditions so that you can use it without any problem or any error. Whenever you will see the cache revamp message, you can click on it and then click on get started option. Yes, now you're all set and you can use it wherever you want. You have successfully installed the Blink Streamz on your Fire Stick. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe for watching more updates, videos and reviews like that.